Welcome to another adventure in RV living. We wanted to do one last side trip from Ohio before we headed south for the winter, and we chose Elkhart, Indiana, the RV capital of the world. We got to tour numerous factories, as well as our first stop was the RV and Motorhome Hall of Fame. Shag carpet.
What's that, Julie? What's that you say? You want a shag?
It's a shaggin' wagon.
Oh, it's a shaggin' wagon. Damn engine. With the air filters on top.
Oh my gosh. If you're a Philadelphia Eagles fan,
Oh, so retired it after that.
this looks like this was actually a tour bus or something for them. Well, them at least. Or someone just really, really loves the Eagles. Carpet. Oh my gosh. That's wild.
Which provides extra living space when the RV is parked, and then the room is retracted when it's time to pack up and move on to the next adventure. The slide-outs are built offline as a sub-assembly and then installed into the appropriate opening in the exterior sidewall. These popular features are often used in bedrooms and living rooms.
That is a little bit. Here's Blake. Kitty's gonna watch from in the truck. Baby girl's gonna take her for a walk. She's kind of freaking right now. Mama's gonna enjoy some wine and cheese. And her dad's gonna go fish. Where are we going? At Middlebury, Indiana, just outside of Elkhart, the RV capital.
This one has quite a few upgrades on it, just so you can see. It has the window silks on the outside of the windows instead of being just the black windows. That other tower I was telling you about in the more gray color. I love it.
Yeah. Has a granite look to it.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then they did.
Tomorrow's also comfortable bed.
Well, this one won't be because they
I'm
ordered.
kidding, there's no mattress. I'm just
Oh.
He's just being
Hey.
goofy.
Double foil wrap. Then your aluminum framework. You've got your fiberglass insulation, and then they put another layer of fiberglass insulation, and then put your plywood on there, and then that just sets up. They lift it up and put it right on top of the coach over here. This is the electric power cord reel option if you choose to do that.
Yeah, it's really nice.
hell yeah, because those 50 amp cords are heavy.
Get
Yeah,
heavy and they get stiff when it's cold.
You said
So
the
here's your 100-gallon tank,
oh, that's the 100-gallon. Wow.
your fresh tank.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Size-wise.
Oh, those are 40. You said.
240s and 240s here.
Yeah, that's great. So.
And building right over here to our left. That's kind of where it actually all started. We built our first 16 units.
Really?
Building.
Wow.
Yeah, and this is what, about a year old. This is our cabinet shop. We're getting all the wood styles and trims brought in. Everything's being assembled here. Great thing about it is you're getting 4,400 pounds. We're typically at this price point we're getting 4,000. Great thing about it is the tires aren't getting any wear and tear from the screws in the floor. We start off with two or three guys here. 53 black and 106 gray underneath there.
106 strength.
106 gray. All at one termination point. All of our water tanks have steel cages underneath.
Now these are the same floor
Yeah,
plans.
it's the
It
same
looks
floor
like.
plan.
Yeah.
So we try to do that. You get those 10, 15 in a row.
Yeah.
I mentioned we're getting all of our laminated sidewalls from our lamination facility in that same building. We are going to continue to expand. They're actually being brought in this back door. You'll see they're all prepped for that specific floor plan. They are all one piece and framed out for the slide-out boxes and all the windows. They have that crane they're putting in the rear wall into place.
So is it like when they get done, like with the 11th one or whatever day? Is that when everybody leaves, or?
Yeah. So once they get done at their station with that 11th one, they can't leave. They have to clean up their area and prep for that next day's work, depending on what their specific role is. Right up there. Good installation place. They're listening to those end consumers. They want to build a better product. They take a lot of pride in their work. So they're coming back on Monday and saying, you need to do this, this, and this. This is what's happening in the field.
Yeah.
We're able to do so.
Oh yeah, that's
I mean,
great.
this is our chassis design. You get that drop frame. We see a ton of people put, you have connections for coax right there, swing arm TVs, beverage coolers, stocked with beer.
Sweet. All the pretty mallards lined up in a row. That is the Heartland factory where our camper was born. We enjoyed ourselves in Elkhart and the surrounding areas, exploring the different factories and seeing where this lifestyle starts from. But it was time to go home, back to Ohio to spend some time with family before we head south. Hold on.
Look like Charlie Brown shirt. Brand new one. That's nice. Very nice. She wants to give it to you. Oh, you're giving it to me. Thank you.
I was thinking she was going to come up and say something. I got you.
Oh.
Drink over here.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's for you. So I got the 3 birthdays, okay? Everybody. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom, Dad, and Jen. Happy birthday to you. What are you doing? This is her mom being lazy, so I don't have to keep twirling this dang string around her. Where is it? You gotta move. This will tire her out.
Now the water level comes up, kind of goes back in between. Nice. Looks like they're still under construction. Yeah, I think they're still building onto that. How far the water was going up or going down. It hasn't really moved in the last week.
So when you can pull your kayak up to the shore, walk through a neighbor's yard, and come right to my parents' house. Pretty flippin' cool. Took us an hour from where we put the kayak in. So we're gonna surprise them. They did not know we'd be coming, especially with a kayak. We came via kayak.
We channeled our inner Indian.
From Red Bank.
You're kidding.
Took us, what, an hour?
About an hour.
Yeah. So that was kind of fun, seeing everything from a different perspective. Oh no,
Yeah. I do not give my permission to be recorded.
Yes, he is.
I'm joking.
How you doing, bud? Pretty good. Good. Camera on top looks fantastic. Thank you. Are we supposed to come find you guys?
Are we playing hide and go seek? Oh. Oh. Hey! Hey there!
Hey, we found you. We win. Oh, we found you. Wasn't cheating. I saw you.
You have to close your eyes.
Okay.
We have to close our eyes.
All right. Parker, you blend in with those pillows. You're in camouflage mode.
Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Where did you come from? Hey, is there two of you? Here's one there, and you. There's two Parkers. There's one over there and one over here.
Are they twins?
No.
Are you two different people or the same person?
We stayed in Ohio all the way through Thanksgiving because we wanted to spend more time with our family. However, as the snow and cold set in, we took it as our sign. Heading south for the winter. We've been in that spot at a family's property since May and been very blessed, and the hospitality has been amazing. Had a pool house. I'm gonna miss this. This is where I did dishes. We could use a restroom. It was my own gym every day, and of course that's by a pool, so we had an incredible summer with family, and pretty bittersweet to leave, but it is, as you can tell, the trees are barren, so we are ready to head south where there's sun and it's warmer in the ocean. So I will miss this, but we are excited to be on the road. Blake's just finishing up with the final touches, so we will see you down the road.